An invisible force can twist light into breathtaking spirals, revealing surreal beauty. This photographic magic transforms static scenes into dynamic, dreamlike masterpieces, captivating every observer. This mesmerizing phenomenon, known as the corkscrew lighting effect, captivates viewers instantly with its unique charm. Photographers harness precise light manipulation to achieve these stunning visual dynamics, crafting unique scenes. Understanding its fundamental principles unlocks unparalleled creative control over your photographic images. You can craft dramatic tension or evoke a sense of ethereal movement effortlessly within your compositions. Imagine painting with light itself, meticulously sculpting captivating scenes with luminous, swirling trails. Mastering this intricate effect elevates your photography from simply good to genuinely unforgettable artistry. Creating the corkscrew effect requires a delicate dance between light, camera, and time. You begin by choosing a continuous light source, like an LED wand or a small torch. Position this light source carefully behind or beside your subject, not directly illuminating it. The key lies in the movement of this light source during a long exposure photograph. Imagine tracing a spiral path with your light while the camera's shutter remains open. This action records the light's journey as a continuous, twisted streak across the frame. But that's not the only secret ingredient for perfect spirals in your compositions. The camera's settings are equally crucial for capturing the light's ethereal dance. A slow shutter speed, often several seconds long, allows ample time for the light movement. Aperture settings, typically f/8 or f/11, ensure sufficient depth of field for the subject. Lower ISO sensitivity, around 100 or 200, prevents unwanted noise in the final image. You must stabilize the camera on a sturdy tripod to avoid accidental camera shake. Even the slightest wobble can ruin the elegant corkscrew pattern and intricate details. Wait until you discover how different light sources impact the texture and mood. Experimenting with various light sources introduces unique characteristics to your corkscrew effect.
A single bright LED creates sharp, defined spirals with clearly delineated, luminous edges.
Multiple smaller lights, perhaps on a string, produce a more diffuse, glowing corkscrew pattern. Colored gels placed over your light source can infuse the spirals with vibrant, otherworldly hues. Consider the subject's texture and shape, as these influence how light interacts with the scene. A reflective surface will catch and extend the light trails dramatically, enhancing depth. And then, something unexpected happens when you introduce subtle subject movement. This remarkable lighting technique offers photographers unparalleled creative expression and distinction. Images created with the corkscrew effect instantly stand out in a crowded visual landscape. It transforms product photography, making mundane items appear magical and enticing. Portraits gain an ethereal, almost surreal quality, captivating the viewer's imagination. Art installations and abstract compositions reach new heights of visual complexity and wonder. The effect encourages viewers to look deeper, appreciating the interplay of light and shadow. It proves that light is not just for illumination, but a powerful artistic tool. Mastering this technique empowers you to tell stories in truly innovative and memorable ways. Ultimately, the corkscrew effect is a testament to light's incredible versatility in photography. If you found this exploration fascinating, subscribe for more incredible insights into visual artistry. Like this video and share your favorite lighting techniques in the comments below.